Number 5 is WEEFUN Tina2S 3D printer. If you're on the hunt for the ultimate gift that'll spark a kid's creativity and set their imagination on fire, look no further than the incredible WEEFUN Tina2S 3D printer. This compact marvel is not just a printer, it's a gateway to a world of limitless possibilities. A fully assembled 3D printer that bursts out of the box with the energy of a race car at the starting line. But here's where the real magic happens. It comes with its superhero sidekick, the Poloprint Cloud app. This genius creation turns smartphones and tablets into magic wands of creation. Imagine your kid slicing and dicing models with a tap and sending them to the printer via Wi-Fi, no tedious setups or complicated procedures. Are you worried about noise? Fear not! This printer is like a ninja, silent but powerful. Its custom-made motherboard tiptoes around at 40 to 50 decibels, letting young artists work in peaceful harmony with their dreams. And speed? Lightning couldn't keep up with its 200 millimeters per second print velocity. That's 8 times the speed of usual printers. So if you want the 3D printer right now, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for kids. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.